Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, FTX has done it again, and they are continuing to expand their empire, and this time into something that's really not that new. FTX officially expanding into the world of equities trading, and I want to detail some of the important aspects of this new business venture. FTX US, shout out. They have been a longtime sponsor of this stream. If you're not signed up for FTX, check it out in the description. FTX US debuts stock trading in push for bigger slice of the US retail pie. FTX US is going for the original retail investment play, stocks. Our goal is to offer a holistic investing service for our customers across all asset classes. You know, I kind of like the idea of a one-stop shop for all forms of trading. FTX will not charge commissions, or trading fees in keeping with the low-cost brokerage model of Robinhood Road to Fame. It will not monetize traders' orders by selling its flow to high-frequency traders, a controversial practice known as payment for order flow, which Robinhood has been severely criticized for. So FTX's equities trading, which they're rolling out in beta now, and as I have more information, I'll happily share that with all of you, commission-free, no payment for order flow. No PFOF. The exchange also plans to let its customers fund their account in the stablecoin USDC. This effectively means that the same go-between asset for crypto traders can enter the stock market as well. Like I said, I really like this concept of a one-stop shop. I really like that they're not doing payment for order flow, and I really like that their equities trading will be commission-free. Once again, they're rolling out the beta now. As I get more information, I'll share that with all of you. But like I say, week over week, FTX's ecosystem is expanding at an incredible rate. You might as well sign up, create an account, because it's just insane. If it can pull it off, and that's a big if, it very well could end up becoming the one-stop shop for all things related to markets, crypto, equities. I'm assuming they might get into something like futures in the future. Time will tell, just a prediction, but pretty cool stuff coming out of FTX.